Picture this. It's the 1900s, and everybody thinks the white rhino is completely gone. Extinct. Completely wiped off the face of the earth. And then, boom, a small group of less than 100 rhinos was discovered. That discovery alone changed conservation forever. This is the story of the white rhino, the tank of the savannah, and how it went from almost gone to being one of the biggest comeback stories in animal history. White rhinos were almost hunted out of existence, and for one reason, their horn. People believed the horn had municipal powers, or could bring status when carved into a dagger handle. Spoiler alert, it's just keratin. The same stuff as our fingernails. By the end of the 1800s, there was said to only be 20 to 50 white rhinos left, all hiding out in one little spot in South Africa. And that's it. Every southern white rhino alive today traces back to that one small group. But here's where things get wild. Rangers, locals, and scientists all came together and said, you know what? No, we're not going to lose this species. They created protected reserves and literally guarded the rhinos around the clock. And then came Operation Rhino, where conservationists relocated the white rhino all across Africa in hopes to rebuild the population. From fewer than 100 individuals to 20,000 southern white rhinos roaming today. It's one of the greatest conservation success stories of all time. And despite that massive tank-like body, weighing up to 5,000 pounds, white rhinos are surprisingly gentle and run up to 30 miles per hour when threatened. And they're actually not white. The name comes from a mistranslation of a Dutch word meaning wide, because of their awfully wide mouths. So basically, they're huge lawnmowers with an attitude. But the fight is not over. Poaching is still a massive threat. Thousands of rhinos have been killed for their horns in just the past decade. And while the southern white rhino is still holding on, its cousin, the northern white rhino, wasn't so lucky. With only 2 females left in the entire world, both protected 24/7 by armed guards. The chances of the reproduction, with no males left, reproduction seems slim. However, scientists are pushing the limits of technology, using IVF and stem cells to bring the subspecies back from extinction. The white rhino proves when people actually work together, locals, scientists, and even governments, we can bring species back from the edge, proving that humans can fix what we have broken.